Hello and welcome to my tutorial on calculating overlap between treatment and control groups in Stata and exporting the results to Excel. In this video, I will walk you through a complete code workflow. First, I define three main sets of global macros. Here you can see demographic variable, household variables, and socioeconomic variables. Each global holds a collection of variables you want to analyze. Here you can see there are a lot of variables. Assigning overlap between treatment and control groups is a crucial step because limited overlap can lead to imprecise or biased estimates of treatment effects. Ensuring sufficient overlap helps make comparison valid and strengthens the reliability of causal conclusion in research. Next, I combine all this into a single local macro called overlaps bar, meaning I have grouped all these three global variables into overlap bars. This makes it easy to loop through every variable no matter their group. After that, I set a path, you can see here, for the Excel file where we will store our output. I use the Stata put Excel command to open the file and add headers for each column, including variable name, mean, and variance for treatment and control groups, and the overlap statistics. For the calculation, I initialize the row counter and loop through each variable in overlap bars. You can see here, for each one, I summarize its mean and variance for the treatment group and then for the control group. Using this statistic, I estimate the overlap by measuring the standardized difference between groups. Finally, for every variable, I write the result into Excel file, meaning after calculating, I have exported the result in Excel file that include variable name, rounded means, variance, and overlap estimates. At the end, Stata print a message showing where the Excel file has been saved. So now let's run these codes together and we'll see what happened. The codes has been run perfectly. So let's see the Excel file. So you can see here the results, overlap results. Here you can see the control summary statistics and treatment summary statistics with their variance. So I think this method is very efficient for handling many variables at once and organizing results for further analysis, reporting, Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe or comment below for more tutorials on statistical programming and data analysis.